Hi, it's Isham here again from Rare Cancers Australia. Mike Parker and I are going to talk about the new COVID Safe app that the government released just the other day. I want to explain what contact tracing is, which is the purpose of this app. Contact tracing is a technique that public health workers use to identify the carriers of an infectious disease and uncover who else may have been exposed in efforts to reduce the spread, to isolate those who are infectious and to also quarantine those who are at risk. It's been a strategy used by many countries in the world during this coronavirus pandemic, and alongside other strategies to flatten the curve, it has reduced the spread here in Australia quite drastically. However, up until now, all our contact tracing has been done manually, and that is laborious and often quite slow. And in order to lift the restrictions in the absence of an effective vaccine for at least another 12 months, according to Professor Ian Fraser. And this is because respiratory tract vaccines are notoriously hard to develop. We need to work out a way of lifting restrictions that's safe for the general population, that won't start the huge spread again, but also will look after those who are particularly vulnerable in our community. So that's what contact tracing is, and that's what the purpose of the app is. Now over to you, Mike, to explain what's behind the app.
Thanks, Emily. Hi everyone, I'm Mike Parker, Head of Strategic Planning and Chief Technology Officer here at Rare Cancers Australia. The idea of a contact tracing app raises a lot of questions, and many people are rightly concerned about the potential privacy issues. However, health, technology and legal experts have looked at the coding, and the consensus is that COVID Safe is transparent, safe and above board. The use of the app is non-invasive. It runs in the background and all you need to do is ensure Bluetooth is turned on when you are out and about. Now let's look at a few myths flying around about the app. Myth number 1, COVID Safe is tracking my every move. The COVID Safe app does not have access to the location services of your phone, so it has no way of knowing your whereabouts, so it cannot record or report it. The app uses short-range Bluetooth signals to talk to other nearby phones running the app. If you stay within close contact with another user for more than 15 minutes, it logs a record, storing the Bluetooth ID of that user and vice versa. It does not even share or store your device name. Myth number 2. Data will be stored indefinitely. Any data recorded by COVID Safe is stored locally in a secure area of your phone and automatically deleted after 21 days. If someone is diagnosed with COVID-19, they will be asked to upload their data. This is done as a manual operation with full user consent. There is no automatic uploading of any data. If you uninstall the app from your phone, all the data will be deleted. If you have never uploaded your data, it's gone for good. Myth number 3. Data is being stored and accessed offshore. Uploaded contact information is stored in a secure Amazon Web Services instance in Australia and encrypted using public and private keys to keep the data away from prying eyes. Information will not go offshore and it is not being accessed by the US government. Myth number 4. The app has a hidden purpose. The COVID Safe app has been customised for Australia based on a similar app developed in Singapore for the same purpose. While I would prefer the government release the source code, a number of tech experts far smarter than me have reverse compiled the app to see what it actually does. And many curious folks have combed through the code looking for gotchas. Disappointingly, for those who like a bit of drama, what they've found is a straightforward app using industry standard development techniques with nothing hidden or obfuscated. It does not access the location services of your phone, so it cannot track your movements, and there is no evidence of any untoward storage or sharing of private information. It seems for all intents and purposes that COVID Safe does exactly what it says on the tin. It may use a bit of extra battery while it's running, but that's a small price to pay for the information it collects that could literally save lives. I've downloaded and installed COVID Safe, and I encourage all Australians to do the same.
If you found this video from Dr. Emily and Mike helpful, you can visit our website at rarecancers.org.au and find more videos similar to it, along with articles and fact sheets.